The mysterious cat of Willow Street. Lena had always been a dog person. She never imagined herself owning a cat until she moved into the old house on Willow Street. The previous owner had warned her, "The house comes with a cat. He was here long before me, and I suspect he'll be here long after you." At first, she thought it was a joke. But on her first night, a sleek black cat appeared on her windowsill, staring at her with piercing green eyes. "Hello there," she said softly, expecting him to run. Instead, the cat hopped onto her bed, curled into a ball, and purred. Days passed, and Lena noticed something unusual. The cat, whom she named Shadow, always seemed to know things before they happened. He would stare at the door seconds before the mail arrived. He would meow just before her phone rang. And one stormy evening, when Lena was about to step outside, Shadow blocked her path, his tail puffed up in alarm. Moments later, a massive tree branch crashed down where she would have been standing. Lena shivered. Shadow had just saved her life. As weeks turned into months, she stopped questioning the cat's strange behavior. Instead, she accepted that he was no ordinary pet. He was a guardian, a protector, watching over her from the shadows, just like he had done for every owner before her. And perhaps, just as the old owner had said, Shadow would be there long after her, too.